Hello, welcome to the lab preparation of knowledge mining solution using Azure AI. In this lab, we are going to set up our environment by using ARM templates. In the description of this lab, you are going to find the link for the custom template. In my case, I'm already there. I'm going to use Azure Portal. So the first thing is to select the subscription. The resource group, I'm going to be working with a new resource group, KWM-search. And the region for this lab, I will be working with South Central US. The resource prefix is the prefix that it's going to include for each one of the resources to deploy. In my case, I will select my name. Storage account is going to be a standard, locally redundant, the app service plan, a free tier, and the cognitive service using the basic SKU. We can change the values, but I'll keep the default for now. And the location of the resources, also South Central US. So now I'm ready to review and create. But before that, I want to show you the template. So I come to Edit Template to see what is going to deploy. So first we have our 5 parameters, the prefix, the account type, the storage account, the SKU, the plan for the app service plan, the SKU for the cognitive service, and the location for the resources. Also there are 8 variables where it is creating the name of the different resources by using the prefix, hyphen, and the name of the resource, with the exception of the storage account. And then the list of 8 resources, creating the server farm, the app service plan, followed by the storage account, creating a website, so using the app service plan deployed before, an application insights for the app service plan, creating a search service and a cognitive service. After that, it's creating the site, the function that depends on the application insights and the storage. And finally, it's doing a deployment, creating a deployment, and here is the template that is following. So I'm going to discard the changes, and now I can go to review and create. In this tab, it's going to validate that all the configuration is correct. Once the validation passed and we agree the terms and conditions that this is going to incur with a cost in our subscription, then I can go to create it. This is going to redirect me to the deployment blade where I can track the progress of the deployment of each one of the resources. But for now, I'm going to stop the recording and start again when it's finished. There it is. It already finished deploying all the resources. Now I go to the resource group. The next task is to upload the sample data. These are some documents. You are also going to find the link within the description of this video. So we're going to upload the sample data in a container within the storage account. So first I open the storage account. Once I am in the storage account blade, I'll go to the containers. And within the containers, add a new container. The name of this container is going to be sample-data. Keep it as private so we don't accept any anonymous access, and create. After the container is created, I will access and upload the sample data. So I go to upload. Sorry, I'm back to the container. I go to upload. Go to navigate, and then navigate where I downloaded all the sample data. There are 21 files. You can see there are PDF, there are images, some Excel documents, some Word documents, and I go to blood. Perfect. So with this, we finish the lab preparation. We already set up our environment and we are ready to go for our lab 1. Using Azure Cognitive Search, create a search index. So if you have the time, follow me in the next lab, and thank you very much for viewing.